adventure for the papaya! Papaya!
Walpak si Jerilyn.
Just for the papaya! Ay, go get away from there. I don't want to kill you.
Mahulog ka na sa may ano ha, sa may shoulder ka.
Diba? The adventure in search of papaya
And we end up
in Bukhari.
yours. And what time is it?
Pangitaan ng Benito.
Bukid na din.
Ano sa Bukhari?
Eh,
Ano tayo? Benito!
Nako.
Adventure, mama, laka lang ari, di bata mo. So adventure kita is
Palpak naman nga iyot.
Grabe ka makakambal palpak.
We're going down the mountain. We are going down the mountain. Nakasinig ka.
Nakagising ko si Pascual. Imbis nakatulog pa to siya, nagahurado.
Yours. Karon kusamod ka naman kay way ka nakalagaw. Wala kalagaw kay.
Huwag kang yung sukamod na yan, normal na na. Kamay pa ko.
Yours, hindi makwanta kami. Ako sa
Kung tagaan mo na iya nga default expression ko sa mo. A long and winding road. Diploma ako sa plano.
Other year.
The other year to.
Yung Easter Sunday. Dirimi.
Baka nagsulod na agin ano ko ginto masulod. Masulod lon pag ito siya kaysa sa tong ginkataan balik natin yung resort today.
Itong namahaw ta.
Oo, ato yan nakaplano to yan. Yung nagtag-save kami ni Mia. Pero yung una takad to.
Nangapili lang ta ko. Nag-sandwich. Nag-fries. Tak na? Forward march! Forward march! Kag natalang kami sa Tigbawan, halin sa Leon, nagtabok sa Tigbawan. Kag-ari kami sa Shamrock Beach Resort Bar and Restaurant. Hello. Thank you. Ayan. Hello.
mo di kanina.
Isa to nga para mas makita mo bigger na panorama.
Running motor lang.
So from Iloilo City, we drove to Bucari in the municipality of Leon. Then we went to the municipality of Tigbawan to eat at Shamrock. And now we're in the municipality of Aninii in the province of Antique. Why? Why? Because of this view. Let me show you. Mountain on one side, the sea on the other side. So there, there, there. So below me, that one. That is what you see. So we came here for this view. And then the mountains is majestic on the other side as well. That's really high. Look at that. That's like that. See?
Ang iwi.
What's the name of this place?
Pero nalay na.
Toledo.
Nalay na.
Toledo's Only
Grabe
Rice.
yun. Ma-remember niya. Unang ongta, magaluwad ka. Ay, ma-remember na ako. Anong i-order niyo?
We're in this place because everything else is closed. Unless if we want to go to Jollibee, Macdo, Chowking, Dunkin. Ano pa ba mga 24 hours dito? 7-Eleven? Ano pa ba? Kakahanap ng crabs at saka lato. Pichi-pichi. Believe it or not, we almost, went around the southeastern part of Panay. We started at the house. We went to Bucari, Leon, Iloilo, to look for papaya. And then from there, we went to Shamrock, which is in Tigbawan. And then from there, we went to Aninii, Antique, just to see the boardwalk. And then from there, we went back to, where was that? Tigbawan again?
San Joaquin pa pa
And then, Tigbawan for the, what you call that? Don Benito, Casaba, and Pichi Pichi, which is also close by then. And then from there, we went for the dried fish. Where is that?
Tigbawan.
Tigbawan pa rin?
Tigbawan.
Tigbawan for the dried fish. And then from there, we went to the coastal road in the Zaraga Park for some crabs. And everything is closed. So now we ended up here in Liganes. Oh, di ba? Ewan ko, may topak tong kapatid ko. Pinaikot-ikot niya kami. So much so, nagtanong pa siya sa akin na, I'm totally disoriented. I don't know where we are. So,
Ay, di, we took number 5. Ano yan?
ay, pansot number 5 eh. The balls. The balls of the cow. Ew!
Check it out.
Nanambi ang kalit ni Mana. Siguro na, basi na human na ni Joy, ang baga. Basi na human na di man ang dalan. Nami, oh. Hindi ang yaling kita di kaagi kong gabi kay kami suga man. Reminds me of Iligan. I-maintain nila, no? Hindi nila pagpatindugan sa establishments. Hindi nila pagtandugan ang mga kahoy. Ang dami.
Thank you.